Here V bar, comma E bar, comma B bar are perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular to each other. ఇందాక ఏం చేసాం? All are parallel. For example, this is the charged particle. It moving along x-axis. Suppose electrical force acting along y-axis, magnetic field acting along what? Z-axis. Look here. Once again I repeat. Charged particle moving x-axis, electrical field acting along y-axis, magnetic field acting along z-axis. What is the electrical force formula? Bangaru Kondalu, Q E bar. According to this formula, direction of electrical force depends upon the E bar. What is the formula for magnetic force? Q into V bar cross B bar. Direction of magnetic force depends upon the V bar cross B bar. Okay? Look here. ఇప్పుడు మరి చార్జ్డ్ పార్టికల్ ఇలా ఉంది. ఎలక్ట్రికల్ ఫోర్స్ ఇలా యాక్ట్ అవుతుంది బికాజ్ F and E both are in same direction. This is electrical force direction. Because electrical field depends upon the electrical field. So that's why both are in same direction. Look here. Next, here V bar, I cap, okay, B bar, K cap. Look here now. We know that vector multiplication I, J, K. Ij multiply K, Jk multiply I, Ki multiply J. Here I cross K means minus J. Simply magnetic force acting negative y-axis. Look here now, negative y-axis. Look here. Here in the diagram, suppose electrical force magnitude equal to magnetic force. Simply suppose if none, the condition is if electrical force is called magnetic force. Electrical force formula QE. Okay? Magnetic force formula Q V B. Here Q what? Cancel. Finally, what is the velocity of particle? V equal to E by B. Very important formula nana. What is the velocity of the charged particle in terms of E and B? V equal to E by B. Here E is called electrical field intensity. B is called magnetic field induction. What is the formula for V? V equal to E by B. E means electrical field intensity. What is the question? Charged particle and electrical field and magnetic field ఎలా ఉండాలి? Perpendicular to each other. First condition. Next condition, electrical force equal to magnetic force. In the two conditions are applicable. What is the velocity of the charged particle formula? E by B. Look here. Keyword in the problem, electron. Beam travel a velocity. Electron velocity is given 1.6 into 10 power 7 meter per second. Here magnetic flux density ORR, magnetic field induction is given 0.1 Tesla. Here find the radius of the circular path. Keyword in the problem is here, electron moves perpendicular to magnetic field. Electron moves perpendicular to magnetic field. Radius of the circular path formula is mv by qb. Yesterday I discussed charge moves perpendicular to field. Radius of the circular path formula is mv by qb. Nana yesterday ఒక వర్డ్ చెప్పలేదు. మరి charge moves perpendicular to field. The instrument name is cyclotron. Cyclotron. మరి ఇక్కడ మాస్ ఇవ్వాల చార్జ్ ఇవ్వాల, కానీ వాడు ఇచ్చిన కీవర్డ్ ఏంటి అంటే ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ఇచ్చాడు. చార్జ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎలక్ట్రాన్ వాల్యూ 1.6 into 10⁻⁻19. Mass of the electron value 9.1 into 10⁻⁻31 kg. Okay, very important values. Notice that. To substitute to find the radius of the circular path. Next question, Nana, look here, Nana. Second question, very important, Nana. V bar is given. V bar is given 3 I cap plus 2 J cap. B bar magnetic field induction is given 2 J cap bar plus 3 K cap. Here find acceleration. Specific charge is given. Specific charge means charge by mass. Once again I repeat. Specific charge means charge by mass is given 0.96 into 10⁸ coulomb by kg. Okay, find acceleration. Nana, charged particle in the magnetic field, force formula Q into V bar cross B bar. Okay, here Nana, Newton second law, F equal to ma. Q into V bar cross B bar. Look here, mass other side A equal to Q by M is called specific charge into V bar cross B bar. Okay, to see the solution. Here acceleration equal to specific charge value is given 0.96 into 10⁸. V bar cross B bar, right in the mathematics. Okay, modulus. Okay, here first write I cap, J cap, K cap. First write what? V. Here V. I, J is there. 3, 2, K value 0. Next B Nana, 2, sorry, J, K is given 0, 2, 3. Okay, here acceleration value is 0.96 into 10⁸. Here neatly write as I cap into. Here I write, this will be closed. It matrix is AD minus BC, 6 minus 0. Next Nana, write minus J. J is closed. 3 3s 9 minus 0 plus K Nana, K. K is closed. 3 2 6 minus 0. Okay, finally we get 0.96 into 10⁸. Here common term is into 3 common Nana. Here write 2 I cap minus 3 J cap plus 2 K cap. Look here, 3 2 6 9 6. A proton projected with a velocity 10 power 7 meter per second. Proton charge is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. Mass of the proton is 1.67 into 10 power minus 27 kg. Okay, here magnetic field induction is 100 milli. Milli means 10 power minus 3 Tesla. It neatly write as 0.1 Tesla. The question is time taken by the arc in 90 degrees. Then full circle rotate అయిందనుకో దాన్ని ఏదో అంటారు టైం పీరియడ్. Charge moves perpendicular to field. Time period of the charged particle formula is 2 pi m by bq. This is applicable for 360 degrees because time period means time taken to complete one rotation. ఇది ఎన్ని డిగ్రీస్ కావాలన్నాడు? 90. 90 అంటే 1/4 ఎంత నాన్న? 1/4. Simply 1/4 of time period. Look here, 1/4 of time period write as 2 pi m by bq. This is the formula for time taken by the charged particle to complete 1/4 of the circle. Look here, all values substitute, get the answer. Magnetic field induction is given 0.7 Tesla. Radius of disk, simply radius of the circular arc is 1.8 meter. Here find kinetic energy. Kinetic energy of the cyclotron and kinetic energy of the charged particle moving perpendicular to field and same. Yesterday I give kinetic energy formula b square q square r square by 2m. According to this formula, particle name also given and particle name is deuteron. Look here, very important problem, deuteron. H12. In the situation, charge of the nucleus formula is Ze. కిందది ఎప్పుడు జెడ్ నన్. జెడ్ ఎంత ఉందో చెప్పండి? 1 డ్యూటరాన్కి. ఎలక్ట్రాన్ చార్జ్ 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. Next, mass of the nucleus. This is called mass number. Mass of the nucleus is A into mp. A is called mass number. Mass number is 2. Mass of the proton is 1.67 into 10 power minus 27 kg. Simply, this is the deuteron charge. This is the mass of the deuteron. Here all values substitute. Finally, we get in terms of joules nanu. Kani in the question joules lo ledu nanu because all data taken in SI kinetic energy unit is joule. But in the question ask MeV. Oka joule ante MeV by 1.6 into 10 power minus 13. ఇది ఎలా వచ్చింది అంటే నిన్న వీడియో చూడాలి. ఎస్టర్డే వీడియో, సెకండ్ వీడియో కెన్ సీ ఇన్ ఆల్. MeV మెగా ఎలక్ట్రాన్ వోల్ట్. జౌల్ కన్వర్టెడ్ బై MeV by 1.6 into 10 power minus 13. This will be solved automatically to get the answer. Then yesterday I sent 1 to 12 problems. Today also I send 1 to 12 problems. Please revise 24 problems, Nana. Nana, in the study hour time, please send your doubts in the WhatsApp groups, Nana. Okay, in the doubts in the WhatsApp groups, Nana, please.